Hey guys, it's Brandon Miniman from PocketNow.com. In this video, we're going to compare two of the hottest smartphones on the market, the iPhone 5 and the Samsung Galaxy S3. Let's get to it. So just look at these two devices. They are vastly different in so many ways. It's very clear that the companies behind these phones think very differently about how people want to use their smartphone. Apple thinks that people want a smaller screen with better one-handed usability. Samsung thinks that people want big screens, big beautiful screens that they can watch movies on that are in standard resolution formats. Let's start off with specs. The Samsung Galaxy S3 has 1280 by 720 resolution. That is true 720p. The iPhone 5 has kind of a weird resolution, 1136 by 640, so it doesn't play back full HD video. It kind of downsamples it a little bit, and we're going to look at 720p video in a minute and see if you can really tell the difference. Now, depending on which Galaxy S3 you get, you'll have different specs. If you've got the international version, you'll have the quad-core 1.4 GHz Exynos processor with a gig of RAM. If you're in the US, you'll have a 1.5 GHz dual-core Snapdragon S4 CPU with 2 gigs of RAM. Wherever you get the iPhone, you get the exact same phone. It's a dual-core A6 Apple chip running at about 1 gigahertz in each core, and it has a gigabyte of RAM, which is double what the original iPhone had. Now, both of these devices have pretty much the same specs if you go down the list. They both have LTE, they both have 8 megapixel cameras on the back and higher resolution cameras on the front at around 1.2, 1.3 megapixels. They both have Wi-Fi, ABGN, Bluetooth 4.0. The Galaxy S3 has NFC support. The iPhone 5 does not have NFC support. So again, vastly different devices, and we're going to compare the software experiences of both. And let's start off talking about the hardware. Now, one thing you're probably noticing already is that the Galaxy S3 has an LED notification light. Some people like that because you don't have to turn on your phone to see if you have a missed call or a new SMS. Some people hate it because it's annoying. Apple doesn't think that people should have an LED notification light. Okay, we both have, again, front-facing cameras here. We have proximity sensors. We've got a dedicated home button on both devices, and huge differences in screen. 4 inches here, 4.8 inches here. Let's turn over to the side. The Galaxy S3 is technically a